Awn yn mathematic yn diw, hashin dol fi brian meien the big bird watch. So va akif ri kumel sulamach son ian na dagarig. You were given the task of looking out for and counting up the numbers of different types of birds in your garden. Merelur shini yan of has nagab dreg futu shini yan of indraste. If you haven't done that yet, that's okay. You can do it and then do this. So, hashin dolach lachgig and fisrachig a worship son grafen a yanif. So today we're going to use the information you found to make your own graph all about it. So in due, hashin a gynsig meien, mare vishin a cruachig graph bound no graph blokke. We're going to learn about how to make your own graph. Kutjach stoch gebische vagenev mare vistu a frekkers question, jo mare vistu a feinjoch question. So some of you will also be answering questions about your graph, and some of you will be making questions about your graph. Ik en Jerek seo bishin a graph sudan go graph bouw no blokke e chruachig, le labelen is cheatelen herst. So some of you will have to put the right labels and titles on them too. You'll see why on the minute. Kutjach evi cruachig scale to come up with a scale for your graph. Agus a freicher snot a feinjoch question mun a graph akif. Seo akif graph baun. A vilis akif Jamie ein high. Chanye lisakin or chanye la gra. We can't know what it's about because there's no information to tell us. Seo clue. Seo a gra cu, cat, iasc, ian, agus moch ginny. Va misha cu keist gave in J, may in a pettichen akif. So han graph seo may in a pettichen a hakif she. Is that obvious from just this? Chaniel, food seo of in a pettichen ek in Bowery. This could be the pets that the Queen has. No, Douglas and me, Haniel a geisha again. So famous sheen cheatle a chud in a graph seo, gussen be isakin J hound. Agus hashin a gra na pettichen ek class 1 ga 3. Agus shin J han graph seo mayin. J han a parson seo cu cat iasc ian agus mochgani. J hanta. She na pettichen a hanta. So famous shin escrive a kutchach label son J ha na rutan seo na pettichen. J ha dol susan seo. Famous shin aravan son gopthig amach caviet a hound. Mari shimpler. Cu. 1 ga 3 keer koik shia. Ha shia con in class 1 ga 3. Nja, gaan je misschien kuntig zus, voor het je kwijt is de gloze de rest gu shia, gloze de rest wil ik gu shia. Is bij Isaac en gewel shia aan. So Jane Hennem a far shot a dol sus a shias. Shot akiv scale. Is famous in enem a chud a scale shot. Han scale seo a shelting an adif jepetichen. Is 15 scale akif a vi an a doisen bi ham ver seo kuntig suis an gaten. No ma hou femiger adif na smoe class 3 futig of a dol suis an jichen. No keren no koiken gebe j ha she shikiri. So seo akif graf herst or ha cheatle aid. Ha skippelte, that's important too, that it's tidy and all the things are coloured in so we can see the information. Ha enem gach root, ha label j hante. Ha scale akin, agus ha label akin aid and scale kutjach. Ha mi dollar ein your question gaif mun a graph seo. J and pette as commente, knowledge an arif as moa. Pause my yemas do to find out which cat is the most common, the biggest number. She cat avalm. Is kiviet cat avalm. Nee. En nachist. Kiviet isk agus moch gunny guthood. So as in kuren isk agus moch gunny cála. Caveat iasc agus moch ginny cála. How many iasc and moch ginny is there all together? So could pause here, my aims to go prigamach. So ha 3 iasc, 3 eisc agus ceir moch ginny, ha 3 curish ceir, jo ceir curish 3, I genef seach. Hanna frekkers an ní an, je lissom gerson, so brien sin troe. Caveat cat a varach a haun na coin. Caveat cat a varach aun na coin. How many more cats are there than dogs? Gaan je met de pauze neer zo, or hamas McKinnon is een frekkerst. 3. Bishin koit er ku, un ga 3. 3 a varach. Agus keist meerig, is je cat en pette as kommente, cat en pette as kommente, agus moch ginny en pette as nja kommente. So cat is the most popular, the biggest number, and moch ginny is the smallest, njan ver a nja kommente. Vil sin kerst? Genial. She cat en ver as kommente, ach she eish gen ver as lugge, nja as nja kommente. So be viewing akif le question me in a graf akif, agus be viewing akif the question a goed. Gase son een graf. Va seo akif die kuntig suas caveat ian a va aun. Is va sib genef corian tally and show. And next has no show. We're going to use the information you gathered here. Agus a genef graf. Seo fed a rein Miss McKinnon. So ha cheetel in a graf. So ha mi kerst ha gra na hion nam rarig 8. So the birds in my garden on and what date did you do it? Next seo na differ shorsa Ian ha pigeon, magpie, hularoot marshin. Agus ha seo a gra na hion, the birds, na hion, because that tells you what all of these are. Agus an arif je hion, je Ian dulich had all suas and seo. Be she a gen of suas scala. So you might just have un ga 3 keer koik, or it might go ga keer shia och, no koik jake fichet ha suas retain. En orshin can gan raw 3 pigeons on. Be could da it un ga 3 voxichen. Ach be usse whole skippelte. Yours will be so neat. You can use a ruler to make lines round it too. Okay, now Miss McKinnon's wouldn't be very good because that's not neat enough, but it's hard for me to do it on the computer. It needs to be neat so we can see the information. Nja can gan ro in scala acet, coic, jech, coic jech. Hashin a keelhig and reveal 3 voxican a keelhig coic jech pigeons. So has susrit hein j in scala class a 3. Okay, so Shinji Hackett v Yenif, be do you can oprach, you're going to get worksheets to help you and a list of all the things you need to do. Okay, cheery and rasta.